Almost every Singaporean owns a pair of these. Whether it's flip-flops, sliders or slip-ons, they are unofficial uniform of our weekends. We wear them to the neighbourhood mall to grab hawker food or to just stay cool in this heat. They are convenient, they're comfy, they're part of our culture. But have you ever wondered, is your favourite slippers actually your feet's worst enemy? The truth is, slipper culture is often the secret cause of chronic foot issues. Because most slippers lack support and security, your feet have to work twice as hard in them just to keep them on. If you're wearing them all day, every day, or worse, trying to rush for the bus in them, you are quietly creating long-term problems for your lower limbs. At the clinic, we see the result of habitual slipper use every day. Not just tired feet, it's about limited ankle mobility, ligament strain, and total instability. When you're constantly clawing your toes to hold onto the flip-flops, it leads to tight calves, Achilles tendonitis, and eventually that dreaded morning heel pain. We've even seen cases where simple slipper use leads to rolling ankles, chronic lower back pain, because your foundation isn't stable. Now, we aren't saying you have to ditch your slippers forever, but if you started noticing stiffness, arch pain, or lack of stability, it's time to listen to your body. Keep the slippers for short-term use, like a quick trip to the shops, but don't make them your primary footwear. If the pain is already there, don't wait for it to get worse. Consult with a podiatrist to get your foundation back on track.